Thai Papaya Salad is fully raw vegan. You're gonna love this. I suggest you give it a try. It's one of my favorites. Today I'm going to be making Thai papaya salad. This is also known as som tom Thai. In my opinion, this is one of the best kept secrets from the hot Thai kitchen. Now this recipe that I'm making is sugar-free and it's fully raw vegan. One thing I love about this recipe is it's easy to make, it contains minimal ingredients, and it can easily make it a staple in your kitchen. It is a perfect blend of sweet with a little bit of spice. Now, this salad has many medicinal properties, so it is absolutely guilt-free. The unripe papaya is rich in fiber and contains papain, which is good for your gut health. The date syrup, which I'm going to use instead of the sugar, has an ORAC scale that tops the charts over 6,500, and the garlic has medicinal antibacterial properties. So let's get to making it. So the first step is we're going to go ahead and we're going to peel our papaya. I have a papaya peeler that I bought on Amazon that makes this process that much easier. Take out the seeds and we're going to shred it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pound together the peanuts. The peanuts blend perfectly with this salad. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make the sauce. This one is so easy. So into the bowl, I'm going to put 4 cloves of garlic. I'm only going to use 3 Thai chilies. If you use too much, it can be overwhelming. So I'm just going to take the end off. I'm going to go ahead and chop this up. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and into the mortar, I'm going to go ahead and add some lime. I'm just going to squeeze this together. I'm going to use 1.5 limes. Just going to go ahead and dump that in there. You can even press it in. I'm going to add the date syrup in replace of the sugar. That's going to chill out that flavor. Cherry tomatoes cut in half. So go ahead and dump these in. You just want to crush it lightly. And the next step is I'm going to go ahead and add green beans. These are optional. And you just want to press those into the sauce because it's going to absorb the more you crush it in. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it all together. So I have my shredded papaya. I'm just going to put that into a large bowl. I have my shredded carrots. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the sauce right on top. And I'm going to add some peanuts to the mixture. And all you're going to do is you're going to mix it together, and voila. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and serve it up. Now, if that doesn't look good to you, then I don't know what does. This looks perfect. And on top, I'm just going to put a little bit of basil. And I'm going to chop it with a little bit more peanuts. So here you have the Thai papaya salad. It's fully raw vegan. You're going to love this. I suggest you give it a try. It's one of my favorites. It's got a perfect blend of sweet, spicy, and everything in here is absolutely healthy. I suggest you try it.